So we absolutely love our new sliding glass door um, by Andersen. We had just bought this house a few months ago, and shortly after that is when we had our appointment. And I didn't know exactly how badly our previous door was quite literally falling apart. So I'm glad we decided when we did, especially now going into the winter season. It's like 50 degrees outside, and the second I shut the door, I instantly feel warmer. Everyone at Renewal by Andersen was so nice and helpful. The gentleman that came to our house couldn't have been more personable and nice and kind to us, and really explained all the benefits of buying our new door. Even our installer, Josh, he came to the house. He loved his job, and you can tell. And it was just great talking with him, watching him work. He was fast. He was clean. He was efficient. There was no garbage left. Um, just great job all around. We'll definitely be getting more windows and doors as soon as we can. Thank you all.